Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open Canva and create a new design. Now I will show you two different methods to achieve this. For the first method, go to Apps in the bottom left corner. Search for Cartoonify and click on it. Here, click on Choose File and upload a photo that you want to convert into cartoon. The tool will scan your image and automatically apply the cartoon effect. Once done, your image will be transformed into a cartoon version. For the second method, go to Apps section again, and then search for cartoonify. Here, click on Choose File and upload the same image again, and then generate your image. This will apply a different cartoon effect to your photo. Both methods provide unique results, so you can choose the style that works best for you. The best part is that both options are completely free to use in Canva. So that's basically how you can turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.